So, nag-ano kami. So, yung first round, na-kill ko yung yung super. I'm literally recording right now.
Bro,
So, no one comment on the spray paint, so we can't draw something. So, you need to comment on that.
and stop. Or Aki will defeat you
Ouch!
in dead bone. Or Aki defeat you in dead bone.
Deadpool.
Because there are 3 like...
There.
I got... You again? Fuck!
Oh, God. No! Bro, just... Oh, time Hanaki.
Bro, use time hack.
I don't have Luffy. Bro.
Use Luffy.
I don't have the 90.
Huh?
Dapat pala nag-uppercut ako. Ano ba yan? Dapat nag-uppercut ako eh.
Bakit? 100.
Hindi ako nag-uppercut kanina eh. Ano ko eh. Hindi ako ano eh.
Bakit
Dama ko eh.
one hit ka na?
Oh, may hit na ako nun. Hindi pa ako nag-uppercut nun. Si Alien daw, oh, si Alien. Alien daw, Alien. Uy, sino si Alien? Triple shot.
Hindi.
Ay, kinil si ano. Hinit pala. Kala nyo ah. Kala nyo ah. Kala nyo ah.
Take the Shoot!
Ara!
Shoot!
Uppercut!
Shoot!
Ay, buhay ka pa pala.
Shoot!
Ayaw nga pala, die ka na.
Shoot!
Oh. Woo. There we go. Now we're talking. Uppercut! Oh. Uppercut!
Cut!
That was close.
Shoot, bro! Don't scared. Shoot!
I was so scared of that. That was close. I swear.
Oh my god! Uppercut!
I don't have uppercut yet.
Shoot!
Ala, pinapas talaga sa... Oh my god. One na lang ako. Mamaya gagamitin ko na yung ano. Uppercut ko. Naku po.
Nabulag na! Ba't na-kill niya?
Second time, guys. Second time.
Bro, look at my champions. Look at this.
Nakil kay Tito Kay. Grabe ah. Hey, wait.
Do not call me Tito Keng. Call me Aki. You, Yana, call me Tito Keng. And watching this, call me Aki.
Okay. Fine.
Why are you laughing?
Laughing? I'm not laughing. I swear I'm not. I'm not laughing. I swear. Did you guys hear that? I swear. I swear I'm not. Going up. Hey. Girl Scout. I'm just kidding. There's no Girl Scout, only Boy Scout.
Bro, Gojo is very good at this game.
No, Saitama is...
No, good! Gojo is good!
Gojo. Bro, look at your sunglasses. You're too loud. Baka may mapas sa'yo tapos nakatalikod ka, hindi mo makikita. Tignan mo lang. Hindi lang natin makita. Ay!
Kaya,
Ay, yo!
buti hindi ako nabulag.
Ay! Hindi ako nabulag eh. Nabulag ka ba? Ako hindi nabulag.
Hindi pag ngayon
Eh,
yung turn.
2 times na ako na ano, 2 times na ako nabulag, pero hindi ako natatalo, promise. Bro, why are you talking? Now we're talking,
Helicopter.
now we're talking.
Bolocopter, bolocopter.
Sabi nila, ano ba yun, may teamers pa dito ah.
Ah, sakit.
May teamers pa dito ah.
Don't steal my kid. Don't attack me.
You're attacking me, bro. When the white is the you kill, you was passing me the ball. And then you kill it. Wow, super genius.
Oh.
Hey!
Sakit talaga.
No! Bro.
Bro.
Sorry for that, guys. She's shouting. I off my mic because if you hear that, because some of the kids are watching our video, and sorry for that. So we mute our mic and I will kill. Oh, see that what's called don't hate gamers. Do not hate this Roblox or you will delete Aki in Roblox. Bro, Ayana is speaking something. I'm dubbing in real life. Dub in real life.
So we are based to be in 100 sub.
Yeah. You already can see my face on my you know and then we're gonna face reveal Aki, and you guys don't know what Aki's face, you know, right? The left on my account is that it's my friend that I'm with. I bet Aki for when we go if we have a house and then we gonna miss this and I'm 19 and she's 18, we bet that we gonna survive 5 days on we're gonna going back on our old house and we're gonna watch movies like Harry Potter,
No, you watch.
Doraemon.
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man.
And we have look.
Yung tapos yung ano ba yun? Avengers. Movie ba? Yung cartoons. Ako manonood ako SpongeBob tas Dora.
Ako sunod ng SpongeBob at Paw Patrol.
My childhood memories. Di ba, Takeng? Childhood memories.
Ang hirap nito, mabilis yun.
Lalo na yung Cocomelon,
Yan,
favorite ko
napunta ka
yun.
dito. Yan, napunta ka
Kahit
dito.
nga,
Yana! Punta ka dito.
kahit ngayon nila,
Diba,
pinapanood
kita
ko
mo
pa
yung
rin.
card?
Aha.
Ito ko. Hindi ganyan. Kusak. At ganito mo yung screen mo. Ganito.
Ciao. Hindi. Oh my god. Uppercut. That was close. Man, oh my god, you're making me die. Bro, you're making me die. Oh!
That's so
That pro dude. when you hit someone and then you someone revenge you because that's her friend. Teamers. We're teamers. No one can beat us. A. Oh my god, I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. We're doing this on mobile and we don't have computers because we're just poor. You know?
No. We are tablet, cell phone.
I'm tablet. Oh my god.
Bro, I'm tablet. Yana is phone.
Mobile. You mean mobile?
No, so you know my face.
No, she. No, she don't.
So
Nobody knows.
So you don't know what is my face.
Nobody knows you.
So my name is
I know.
and this guy, Ayana, his name.
Everyone knows.
Everybody's come to fighter.
Nobody knows you. No. What are you doing, bro? Oh, I like this, bro. I like this,
Yan
bro.
ang, pag nakita mo yung card na yung bago,
Opo, sir. Opo. Opo, sir. Parang si Selimush siya magsalita, ah. Selimush ka ba?
oo.
Selimush.
Napunta ka dito.
Everybody knows you.
Pag nakita mo yung card,
Kilala mo to, guys, yung mga mga nanonood
Yan
to,
na.
eh.
kita mo yan. Click mo.
Nobody knows you. Oh my god.
Mabilis yan, di ba?
Hmm.
Ako si Wingsman Aki. Tawag niyo ko.
Wins money, Aki. Aki is a gamer. Aki is a gamer. Ayana is a gamer.